plant unboxing is happening. My package arrived, and after all of this morning's technical difficulties and possible soap disaster, I need this. Okay, and yes, that's Elvira, Mistress of the Dark, in case you're wondering. But yes, this is my order from Crystal Star Nursery's Botanical Treasures. You can find them on crystalstarnursery.com. This isn't sponsored. This is money that was left from my birthday road trip. And I decided to buy some plants from them. They do a treasure hunt, what they call a treasure hunt, and it's really fun. It's like a plant drop on their website, and you can go on and you order, and they are delivered to your door. They are amazing to deal with. They are a small business, a family-owned nursery in Toronto. And they sell Hoyas mostly, but they also sell other succulents and a few aroids and some cactus as well. So let's talk about what I ordered. I didn't order very much. They have really reasonable shipping also, like and they ship Canada wide. It comes right to your door, just like this. Let's talk about what I ordered. I ordered a Hoya. I just have my computer here so I can see before I open, because I don't want to open it and get the paper and all that. I ordered a Hoya lacunosa by Obscura Splash. So it is a Hoya lacunosa cross with Obscura. And of course, Splash just means it has like little speckles on the leaves. I ordered a Ceropegia Simoneae. Ceropegia are in the family of like the string of hearts plants, if you remember those. I still do have a small piece of my string of hearts growing, and they have these really interesting little flowers that are like little, they kind of look like little penises or little trumpets, and they are like a succulent type plant. So I ordered that. It's called a Ceropegia Simoneae Green Bazaar, and it does not look like the string of hearts. It looks very different. You'll see. And then I ordered a, all right, yes, the last one I ordered is a Hoya Curtis porcelana. It is CUTIS dash PORCELANA, and I liked the flowers on that one, and I didn't really see the leaves, so I ordered that. Let's open them, and I'll show you how they come. Oh, a trusty paring knife. I don't really need to cut that side. Always impressed with the packaging that Crystal Star Nursery does. Their plants always arrive in good shape, and if they don't, they are phenomenal for, you know, replacing them. As I say, this isn't sponsored, but I love them, and I hope that you guys like watching this stuff, because I love watching plant unboxings myself. So there it is. Paper on top. They always send you a paper, and it tells you like what you ordered, and it marks what plant is what. And it says thank you, because I originally accidentally clicked pick up, and I can't go to Toronto to pick these up. And then I emailed them and said, can you please ship my plants for me? I didn't mean to click pick up. And they are always so amazing and have done that for me. So there's what they look like. And so, let's see. C is on top, so that is my lacunosa by obscura. So we're gonna open it up, and it's just like this. They do not usually ship in the winter, like in the dead of winter, but they do ship into the fall. So I'm not sure if they're gonna have another treasure hunt before the winter or not. Oh, it's so pretty. So lacunosas have these like sort of oval shaped leaves, and you can see that it's really splashy. So that's my lacunosa crossed with obscura. Splash. Love it. I can't get very many big leaf Hoyas anymore because I just don't have the space. The next one is B, which is the cutest porcelana. And that's the one that had the really cool flowers. And I am starting to get more of my Hoyas flowering. If you've been watching my socials, you've seen a lot of pictures probably of them flowering. So I am looking at the flowers. And some of them smell like just amazing. But I'll tell you that the Pubicalix Black Dragon I have in my bedroom right now is not my favorite smell. It's beautiful, not my favorite smell. So, oh, it has these cute little leaves that are just really simple, kind of small. But what a big, nice, healthy plant. They do need some, oh no, they're pretty good. I was going to say they do need some water, but I don't think so. So I'm going to try to insert a picture of what the flowers look like. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. So letter A is my Ceropegia Simoneae. This should be pretty cool to see. I hope. Oh, it's very cool. It's very Beetlejuice-like. So let's see if it will focus on that and not my face. Very kooky and kind of almost variegated. It has a very cool texture and a very cool color. My last one is D, which is my Hoya telosmoides. I hope I covered that on here. But I ordered a Hoya telosmoides. And I just like the leaves on this one. And I try to stick within my budget too. Believe me, there's a lot that I really like. So let's see. Oh, very cool. So this is like a thin leafed Hoya. And it has these thin, long leaves. Look at the new shoots. There's a lot of new shoots on here. These little black dots are just from how they grow sometimes. It's like a little bruise. Nothing to worry about. It's huge. It's like this big. But that is all of my new plants. 3 new Hoyas and this kooky little guy, which I am so excited for. They also sell soil mixes that are really, really excellent soil mixes. These guys know what they're talking about. They also sell orchids. A lot of my orchids came from there, and yeah, they win multiple awards every year for orchids that they breed themselves, orchids that they grow. So I did do a huge orchid order. They also have pinguiculas. If you're into carnivorous plants, they have a lot of pinguicula and carnivorous plant varieties. I'm going to try to do a houseplant tour for my channel once things settle down in the fall. My gardens are starting to wind down, so soon, hopefully, I will get the houseplant tour going. But that is my unboxing of my order, my plants from Crystal Star Nursery. Thanks for joining me as I unbox them. I will, like I say, insert some photos of them, and I'll try to find some pictures of the blooms of those plants to insert for you too. And I'll try to link Crystal Star Nursery's website in the description of this video. So, like I say, not sponsored, but I just had to show you what I got. And yeah, we'll see when I see ya.